How to install and add device in iAS desktop. Step 1. Open software. Then install and follow these steps. Select the database. You can select the database as per your requirement. Software default password is ID, admin, pass, admin. Go to Device, then Device Management. Delete the default device. Activate software license. Now fill your company details. Save the details. Then add device. Select the device model. Enter device ID. Then enter device IP. Make sure device is connected, is on same network. Select in and out direction of the device. Then click on Get. Serial number will come automatically as soon as you get, then activate and save. Device added in software successfully.